Hey, how's it going? Well, I just wanted to do a quick update and show the progress of these coral bells that I rescued. They're doing pretty well. Their leaves are a little bit scarred, but for the most part they have bounced back very well, and they're recovering nicely. Here's a good example of one of the leaves. Some of them were so bad that I just cut them off, but some of them were just sort of damaged, and there's no reason to cut the whole leaf off. They've all got new growth coming in, and they are all doing very well. This is the one that I was really concerned with at first, because the leaves that were left on it were really bad. But that piece of plant still looked good, so I kept it. And now it's doing all kinds of new stuff. Seems like it's going to bounce back. Anyway, there's what they look like now after about 7 weeks. They're doing very well. And I've decided to just keep them in the windowsill. I think I'm going to leave them probably just all winter in the windowsill, and they'll be just fine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.